In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting with Google Calendar 2025, step by step. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. At the top right, click the Google Apps grid, the small square of dots, and choose Calendar. This opens your Google Calendar where you'll set everything up. On the left, click the Create button, then select Event. This opens the Event Details panel. In the title field, type Meeting. You can keep it simple for now or refine it later with a more descriptive name if you'd like, but entering meeting gets us started quickly. Next, set the date and the duration. Pick the correct day on the calendar and adjust the start and end times to match how long you expect the meeting to run. If you're coordinating across locations, just keep an eye on the time zone shown so the meeting lands at the right time for everyone. Now add the people who should join. Click Add Guests and start typing names or email addresses. This ensures everyone is included and will receive the invitation. Adding guests here also makes it easy to manage attendance and updates. If the meeting will be online, click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. This instantly creates a Meet link that guests can use to join with one click. It will be included in the invitation and on the event itself, so no one has to go hunting for it later. If your meeting is in person, you can add a location. This part is optional. Enter the address or room name so attendees know exactly where to go. It's helpful for hybrid setups too, where some people join via Meet and others meet in a room. To make the event stand out on your calendar, choose a color, click the small arrow drop down near the color option, then select the color you want. A distinct color helps you spot the meeting at a glance among other commitments. When everything looks good, click Save. Google Calendar will ask whether you want to send invitations to your guests. Choose Send to dispatch the invites right away. This ensures everyone gets notified and can accept or decline. After you send, the people you added as guests will receive an email. That email contains the meeting title, date, start and end times, the Google Meet link if you added one, and any location details you included. With that, your meeting is scheduled and ready to go. If anything changes later, just open the event to adjust it, and Calendar will handle notifying your guests.